Good morning students. Hello. Welcome to my channel. Today we will going to learn एम्पियर सर्किटल लॉ. एम्पियर सर्किटल लॉ वैसे आप फर्स्ट यूनिट में पढ़ चुके हो. गॉस थ्योरम बिल्कुल उसी का भाई है एम्पियर सर्किटल लॉ. See what you have learned in the Gauss theorem, that is flux inside the closed loop is 1 by epsilon times of total charge present in the closed loop. Just like that, we are going to learn Ampere circuital law. See, this law is again to find out the magnetic field intensity. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी तो अपन ने बायो-सेवर्ट्स लॉ से भी निकाली है, पर ये भी एक लॉ है जिससे अपन मैग्नेटिक फील्ड या मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रेंथ वी कैन फाइंड आउट. ओके, तो सबसे पहले मैं तुमको बताती हूँ कि व्हाट इज द एम्पियर सर्किटल लॉ. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लॉ, सी द लाइन इंटीग्रल ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बी अराउंड एनी क्लोज लूप is equal to mu naught times total current passing through it. That means, suppose I have one prop for you. Suppose we are taking this. Okay, see, this is the direction of current. Okay, and this is the surface, and see, if the current is going in this direction, so according to right hand thumb rule, the current is going in this direction, so the magnetic lines will flow in this direction. Okay, so here the magnetic lines are flowing. Okay, magnetic lines are moving in this direction. So what we have to find out, suppose we have to find out the magnetic field intensity, or we are taking this closed surface. This we are taking closed surface, and so many current is flowing through this closed surface, enclosed. See, this is closed loop. So like this, if 2-3 current are flowing here, two are going upward, one is going downwards. So according to this law, what will happen? Line integral of B dot dl is mu naught I. So this I is net current which is flowing inside this loop. Inside, see, suppose this current is going in here and another current is going here, so we will take what? Mu is equals to I1 minus I2. So net current we have to, this is the algebraic sum of the current, total current passing through this closed surface. Okay, so we will prove it first. First I will explain this, the line integral. What is the meaning of line integral? Line integral means total integration of this line. Suppose we are taking this line, small element we are taking like this dl. So for this line we have to take what? This whole parameter of the circle. Okay, and if I am making this diagram here, see, current is going here, so this is net current going this direction, and here the loop closed loop is this. The direction of current is the direction of magnetic field is here, and again the direction of I is also same, because both are going, direction of dl is same. We are taking here a small element dl, so both are going in the same direction. There is no angle in between this. So line integral of B dot dl, so this is called line integral for the whole line, for whole surface. Okay, now this is the dot product, so we will take what? Line integral of B dl cos theta is equals to mu naught I. So the theta, there is the angle between this line element and the magnetic field is what? 0. So cos 0 is 1. So we can take B dl is equals to mu naught I. Okay, now I am going to prove this law, Ampere's law. Okay, so to prove this, we are going to the last video. Suppose we have an infinite line current carrying conductor, okay, and I current is flowing through this, and we have to find out the magnetic field intensity due to this infinite line current carrying conductor at point P. So what is that intensity? Already you have learned in the last video, that is equals to mu naught by 4 pi 2I by, suppose this distance is r, then r, this is r, okay, this distance is r. Now what we are taking here, the closed loop is like this, which is again situated at r distance. So the line integral of B dot dl, we already taken cos theta is 0, so B dl, you write down the value of B, that is mu naught by 4 pi 2I by r into dl. Okay, so mu naught by 4 pi 2I by r and line integral of dl. So the dl is this is small element. The whole, if we add all the dl, what we get? We will get what? Its circumference, that is equals to line integral of dl is a छोटा छोटा सा टुकड़ा यहाँ पे जाते जाएगा. So we will get what? This is equals to mu naught 4 pi 2I by r, and it is again 2 pi r. Now 2 r is going to cancel here, 4 pi is going to cancel. So your answer is B dot B dl is equals to mu naught into I. Now what is mu naught? That is permeability of the medium. So according to this law, the magnetic field directly proportional to the permeability of the medium. Here we are taking the medium as, medium क्या लिया है अपन ने, medium यहाँ पे एयर लिया है, तो एयर की परमिएबिलिटी कितनी होती है? म्यू, जिसकी वैल्यू मैं पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ, वैल्यू होती है 10⁴ पाई इंटू 10⁻⁻⁷. इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होती? म्यू इज इक्वल्स टू 4 पाई 10⁻⁷. तो आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि जो बी डी एल है वो किसके बराबर है? म्यू 4 पाई 10⁻⁷ times of the current flowing through this line, or net current flowing through this line. This is algebraic sum also. We can take the algebraic sum of the total current flowing through the surface, this closed loop, closed mesh, okay, closed surface के. तो मुझे लगता है कि इसमें अभी कुछ बचा नहीं है बताने का. द लाइन इंटीग्रल ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बी अराउंड द क्लोज सरफेस इज इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट टाइम. ये इसका प्रूफ हो गया है. देन होप तुमको एम्पियर सर्किट लॉ आपको समझ में आया होगा. तो आप यदि कोई क्वारीज है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछिए। आगे अपन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।